Hi students, welcome to part 5 of the 100 versus 2. In this part you are going to know about Maddie wants to give support to Vanda Petrovsky. Maddie wants to give support to Vanda Petrovsky. How? You are going to know. Page number 74, third paragraph. Goodness. Wasn't there anything she could do if only she could tell Vanda she hadn't meant to hurt her feelings? She turned around and stole a glance at Peggy, but Peggy didn't look up. She seemed to be studying hard. Well, whether Peggy felt badly or not, Maddie, had to do something. Maddie wants to do something. See here, Maddie is thinking, goodness, wasn't there anything she could do? Is there anything else? May I do? Maddie is thinking about herself and she wants to do something to Vanda Petronsky. If only she could tell Vanda she hadn't meant to hurt her feelings. Maddie doesn't want to hurt the feelings of Vanda Petronsky. She turned around and stole a glance at Peggy, but Peggy didn't look up. Maddie turned around and looked at Peggy, but Peggy didn't look up and Peggy didn't observe. She seemed to be studying hard. Maddie looked. What is Peggy doing? Is she? Did she realize? Did she? Was she realized? Did Peggy realize about Vanda Petronsky? Maddie is thinking. So Maddie immediately turned her head towards the direction of Peggy. But what is Peggy doing? Peggy seemed to be studying hard. At that moment, Peggy is studying something that she is studying very hard. Well, whether Peggy felt badly or not. Now Maddie thought herself and Maddie is thinking herself and Maddie thinks herself about whether Peggy felt bad or not. Whether Peggy felt bad or not about Vanda Petronsky. Maddie had to do something. Maddie wants to do something. That is to give support to Vanda Petronsky. She had to find Vanda Petronsky. What is that something? First thing, Maddie wants to find Vanda Petronsky. Maddie wants to search for Vanda Petronsky. Where is Vanda Petronsky? Where did she go? Why did she leave from the school? Maybe she had not Petronsky. Maybe she had not yet moved away. Maybe Peggy would climb the heights with her and they would tell Vanda she had won the contest. Now Maddie is thinking, maybe Vanda Petronsky hadn't yet moved away from her place. What is that place? What is the name of that place? Maybe Peggy would climb the heights with her. Maybe Peggy Peggy would climb the heights with her. Heights means bogging sides. Vanda Petronsky lives in bogging sides. That's why Maddie thinks maybe Peggy would climb the heights with her. Whether Peggy gives support or not to Maddie is thinking she wants to grab her, she wants to go along with Peggy and Peggy would climb the heights with her and they would tell Vanda. First thing is Maddie wants to do something. In that something, first she wants to search for Vanda Petrosky and second thing she wants to go search in her place that slum area, bog sites. Along with Maddie is expecting along with her Peggy would come to bog sites. They would tell Vanda and they both wanted to say to Vanda Petronsky that Vanda had won the contest. What is the name of that contest? So that contest name is the 100 versus drawings competition. In that contest, they both Peggy and Maddie and Peggy, they both wanted to say the news, very beautiful news that news they wanted to convey to Vanda Petronsky. They both wanted to go there and they wanted to say to Vanda Petronsky that, hey, Vanda Petronsky, do you know one thing? You won in that competition, in that drawings competition, in that paintings competition. You won. They both wanted to go and they both wanted to convey to Vanda Petronsky that they thought she was smart and the 100 dresses were beautiful. And finally, they both wanted to encourage Vanda Petronsky. They both wanted to encourage Vanda Petronsky. Vanda Petronsky, you are smart enough. Vanda Petronsky, you are good girl. Vanda Petronsky, you are hard worker. Vanda Petronsky, you are a nice girl, smart girl, beautiful girl. You have best attitude. They both wanted to convey. They both wanted to encourage. They both wanted to say to Vanda Petronsky. And finally, they wanted to appreciate the 100 dresses were beautiful. Hey, Vanda Petronsky, the dresses which the paintings or the portraits which were drawn by you, all the dresses, all the 100 dresses, all the dresses which you used to say to us, all those dresses which were very, 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 very beautiful, awesome, wonderful, marvelous. You are really hard worker, you are smart girl, you are a good girl, and your attitude is very nice. They both wanted to say. Now Maddie is thinking, when school was dismissed. Now the school was dismissed in the afternoon, Peggy said with pretended casualness, hey, let's go and see if the kid has left town or not. Now Peggy said, Peggy is saying to Maddie, when school was dismissed in the afternoon, the school was completed, the school was dismissed. Peggy said with pretended casualness, hey, let's go and see if the kid has left town or not. Peggy is saying to Maddie, hey, Maddie, come. Let us go. Let us both of you go and search in bogging sites. There, that kid, who is that kid? Vanda Petronsky had left the town or not. In fact, what happened? Along with Maddie, Peggy also realized, Peggy also got repentance. So Peggy had the same idea. Like Maddie, Peggy also had same idea. Maddie glowed. Peggy was really alright. Immediately Maddie was shocked and Maddie, wow, wonderful. You are my friend. Peggy, you are alright. You are good. I know you are good. Sometimes you might have done some silly mistakes, but you are very, very, very good. You are a good girl. You are all right. You are my friend. You are my best friend. I don't want to think about you negatively. So you are right. The two girls hurried out to the building up the street towards Boggins Heights. Now these two girls started journey. Now what is their first aim? What is their first object? Their object is they both wanted to search and they both want to search for Vanda Petronsky. They want to go. The two girls hurried out of the building. Immediately, they both started journey and they reached up the street towards Boggins Heights. Towards Boggins Heights, those two girls started. Two girls. Who are those two girls? Those two girls are Peggy and Maddie. These two girls started journey and they both wanted to search for Vanda Petronsky. The part of the town that wore such a forbidding air on this kind of a November afternoon, drizzly, damp and dismal. In that season now, that in that November, that afternoon, the air was drizzly, damp and dismal. Damp and dismal means, that meaning is there in your textbook, wet and sad. Here expressing a state of hopelessness. In that November, in that afternoon, they wanted to search. They both want to search for Vanda Petronsky, but they didn't have hope. They didn't have hope that they could find Vanda Petronsky. They didn't have hope. They are damp and dismal means wet and sad actual meaning. But here expressing a state of hopelessness. These two girls didn't have hope that they could find Vanda Petronsky. Which season? November season, November afternoon. Well, at least said Peggy gruffly. Gruffly means in a gruff manner. Gruff means having a rough, surely and harsh nature. Having a rough and surely harsh nature. It means in the voice, some people when they hey, in a rough voice. Well, at least rough. There is a rough in voice. Gruffly means gruff. Well, at least said Peggy gruffly. I am repeating that meaning rough. Gruffly means in a gruff manner. In a gruff manner. Gruff means having a rough, surely and harsh nature. In a harsh nature, in a harsh voice, or harsh attitude, in a harsh voice, Peggy said, well, at least I never did call her a foreigner or make fun of her name. I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb and gee. Look how she can draw. Now, Peggy is expressing and Peggy is emotional. Peggy became emotional and Peggy is saying to Maddie, what is she saying? I never did call her a foreigner. I never called Vanda Petronsky as a foreigner. Hey, Vanda Petronsky, you are foreigner. You are not from our state. You are not from our place. You are somewhere else. Actually, who is Vanda Petronsky? She is Polish American from Ireland. From Ireland or Poland. 1 minute. Wait a moment. From Poland. Polar regions are Poland. She settled. She is a Polish girl. She is Polish American girl. Who? Vanda Petronsky. But settled in America. That's why Peggy recollected and Peggy says, I never called her as foreigner. And she says, or make fun of her name. I don't want to make fun of her name. Just I wanted to call her. I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I never thought that. Peggy is saying to Maddie, I never thought that she had the sense to know that we were making fun of her, that we were teasing her, that we were commenting her, that we were criticizing her. Just that girl is taking in a simple way. Peggy is thinking as actually what happened when Vanda Petronsky was teased. Vanda Petronsky didn't say any word to Peggy and her Maddie and her other classmates. That's why when Vanda Petronsky was teased by us, she didn't say anything. I thought that she was dumb. She didn't speak to us. She didn't speak against anything to us. The sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb. And gee means a general exclamation of surprise or frustration. Gee. Oh, gee. Gee means surprise. And gee. Again I am repeating. A general exclamation of surprise or frustration. Gee. Surprise. She was surprised. She was shocked. Becky was shocked and surprised. Look how she can draw. Now she, observe her, she can draw. I thought that she was dumb, but she proved her talent. She proved what Vanda Petronsky is. Okay, students. See you in the next part. Bye.